Hi, welcome to part 3 of the hex nut assembly. In this tutorial, we're going to look at joining our components to make them look like they're working and functioning as desired. So to start with, what we need to make sure we're all components and we've got our socket button screw grounded. So that's this one here. If we select that, so if that's grounded, we can see it's grounded there. So we're going to assemble the washer and then the nut. So that to assemble the washer, hit assembly, join, and I'm just going to zoom in on this edge here. If I try and select the center, it just disappears. So every time I go there, I want to get the center, but when I go, it disappears. So what I'm going to do is hold the control key down when I've got that edge selected. If I've got the hold the control, and then I can go into the middle and select that center point. Okay, from there, I'm going to orbit around, so it will be invisible now. We're going to go to the center here. So escape the center here, and that's where we want to snap our edge to. So I'm just going to go to the home view to view that. You can see we've got a nice even and matched up alignment. So I'm going to leave everything here in terms of the angle and offset. I'm going to go to the motion and change that to slider. So that's what function I want. And the minimum here, I'm going to put in minus 45 because I'm pretty sure, I might have, no, minus 40 because we made our thread 40. And that one we can be 0. Minus 30, it was minus 40. Okay. So I think it was just hidden there. So I'm just going to go to my front view. And I should be able to slide that up all the way, and that comes flush with my socket button screw head. So there we go. Just couldn't see it on the angle. So the next one, we're going to repeat that for the hex nut. So assemble, joint, and we're going to select that edge again. Hold the control down, select the center, and then go back down and select the center, and that should be where I want it to be. So I'm going to go back to the home view again so I can see what's going on. Actually, I'll go to the front view so I can see there what's happening. I'm going to leave my position as is, and there's a motion here. We're going to change that to cylindrical. So that's, if you can see here, rotates around, and we're not going to set any limitations on that because it will rotate more than 360. And then we've got also the vertical slide as well. So we've got rotation around and vertical slide. This one we're going to change, because I know my washer's 2 mil thick, I'm going to change that to minus 38, and that should become flush with the washer. And I might change the bottom one to 5 mil off. Okay, so you can preview that. And you can also preview the rotation. All right, that looks good. I'm going to select OK. So now I've got my feature. I can move it up and down to its limitations. So this one goes here, and my limitation is to the washer. Now, if we can see that. But the one little thing, it's not acting as if it were spiraling around the thread. So the last step I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this here. Now my hex nut. I'm going back to assemble, and we're going to insert a motion link. Okay, I'm just going to capture the position, and if we change the angle a little bit, we can sort of see our motion link there. One that goes around, we can see the arrow going around, and one that goes up and down. So we're going to select that link, and we're going to link with same point. And that should then give us a demonstration. We'll animate that, and I'm happy with that, so okay. So now if I were to view this, just by selecting the edge here of my hex nut, when I go up and down, I'll just drag that round as if that were actually rotating. So that is joining our components. The next elements will be creating renders, a exploded or assembly view, dimensioning components, and section view. Thanks for watching.